Dada! Color pink talaga. Di ba kulay dilaw yung pink niya? Dapat dilaw, di ba? Nice, ah. Beautiful, eh. Like it? You like here? Saan yung way? Okay. Say happy birthday to Papa, baby. Happy birthday, Papa.
You said it already.
Oh, sweet.
Yes. He already kissed me.
Cool.
No.
Sarap naman dito. Ah, meron magpo-propose? Wow. Cool. Sana all. Sana all may magpo-propose.
Merong ano? Merong... Sa dulo pwede. Ito lang po kasi. 4 groups din po yun. Ito na lang kayo.
Ah, okay. Sige. Sarap. Pinya fried rice.
Tignan mo yung jam nila.
Wait lang. Ubus agad. Sarang pinya. Sarang pinya. Wala na rin naman yung bone marrow. Bone na lang eh. Dada, yummy?
Dadayami daw.
Dada, how is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? You like it? Aww.
Kayo, overtake.
Dada,
Walang ibang ano doon kundi
so pretty.
nabulaga yung mga ganyan. Hindi niya alam na may bahala.
Nagulat naman ako. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday po. Nagulat kami doon sa... Kami. Thank you. Kasi pinag-uusapan pa naman natin.
Hindi mo kami sasabihin amo.
Hindi ko tuloy na video yung gulat.
Nagulat ka na.
Ang nakita mo dyan?
Hindi ako nagulat, nakita ko lang.
Nakita mo lang, hindi ka nagulat?
Nagulat ako.
Here's the cake.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday pa!
Bigla sumakit yung dibdib ko. Bakit hindi mo sinabi? Nagulat ako. Isa pa nga daw, nagkikis sila.
Now we are here at the Piña Kitchen with Dada. There's a proposal here.
Tata, we gonna picture there. The dam
they have
here.
There's having a proposal. There's happening there. Come on.
Yeah. Down.
I'm taking video.
Here.
Be careful.
It's hard to go.
It's hard to.
Go through your mouth.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sige pa, thank you. Oh, Dada, I'll take your picture there.
Oh my gosh.
ano din sa club. Sa
Oh my gosh. I can't even sit on your side so hard. Ang galang.
Dami. Nagla-live pinaka-video siya. Katak ka ng katak dyan.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.